Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you're doing well. So the background at the moment isn't exactly how I want it to be. There's obviously a space there that I want to be covered, but I couldn't wait to do this video any longer as I received the package yesterday. I've tried to do the background today and I do like the pumpkin lights and the background. It's just I don't know what to do with this bit here. I don't know yet, but I couldn't wait to do this video any longer, so I am actually going to do it now and hopefully figure out what I'm going to do for the background in the next video. So I'm actually using one of the NYX's lipsticks today, and it's a soft matte lip cream in Kiev. I did mention in the box that I might use it for a Halloween video, and I thought it'd be good with my makeup today. I really like it actually. They did have to apply a lot of coats to get it because it was quite like see-through. When you would put your lips together, it would move around everywhere. So that's the only thing that I would say about that lipstick, is that you had to put loads of coats on basically. And of course this video is about October Glossybox. You probably guys know that I've been waiting for this box for ages to come, and I'm really excited to see what kind of box I have. I haven't actually opened it yet. I wanted to open it on camera to show you guys what I got, so I didn't know, like the sneak peek sort of thing. Though it did come and this bit was a bit open, so yeah, but I am going to open it and try and not show you my address. But here's the little, didn't come off in one. See if I can open this a little bit. So this month's box is the treat box. I did have two boxes this month. It was either trick or treat, and I got the treat box. I love the design of the box this month. Absolutely amazing. If you guys don't know what Glossybox is, I'll leave what you need to know in the description box and the link over to their website in the description box for you guys to go and check them out. So it's a very, very pretty design. You got a nice like plum colour box with very nice vampire lips and teeth. Obviously inside it matches the colour on the front. You get the description card of all the products. I'll just pop this down so we don't get a little sneak peek. And inside is black tissue paper and like a plum shade ribbon. So I'm just going to open that up now. And then you get a little sticker that you just, let me just try and get you guys to see it first. And here is what is in this month's Glossybox. Loving what I'm seeing already. So I'm just going to pop this here. And let's just have a little look what is on the cards. So it's Trick or Treat Glossies. As a chilly breeze hits and Halloween approaches, our October edition will seriously warm things up. This month we're having double the fun with the launch of two special design boxes. So again, it's a trick or treat boxes, and I got the treat one. You've received our treat box, a completely cruelty-free edit brimming with 4 full-size makeup heroes that will help you nail a chic and sultry take on Halloween, plus a 3-in-1 skincare saviour. Whether you fancy attempting that difficult balance between glamorous and gruesome, or are avoiding Halloween fancy dress completely, this edition has got you covered. Glossies, let's get vampy. Yes, love it. Absolutely love it. So we have got a November sneak peek, and it looks like Huda Beauty. Oh my god, we can't keep it a secret any longer. Our November box features a full-size liquid matte lipstick from Huda Beauty worth £18. We are obsessed with these sultry shades and cult collection. Oh my god, I think it looks like a kind of like orange to red colour. Oh my god, I can't wait for next month. Absolutely amazing. So let's just get on with the box. I can't wait to actually see what we have in here. So excited. Right, let's pick up the first thing. Okay, so we have a company called Luna by Luna, and it's a translucent powder. The packaging looks amazing. I love the name Luna. Does it say anything else on the box? It doesn't say anything, just translucent powder. And again, it's like a navy kind of packaging with Luna by Luna on the front. And it just says translucent powder. I'm going to open it up. Ooh. It has like a little sponge in there as well. Absolutely amazing. I love these. and then it's just like it's covered up in a plastic thing. I don't know what it's called, like a seal. And I'm guessing it's just going to be a translucent powder. Let's read a little bit more. So we've got Luna by Luna Cosmetics Translucent Powder Loose. Hailing from New Jersey, this cruelty-free setting powder sets your makeup to keep your skin smooth for hours. We're in love with the lightweight formula that soaks up excess oil while softening fine lines and hiding pores. Okay. We recommend using a beauty blender to apply the translucent powder to areas you concealed to help your makeup stay fresh. Love that so much. It's a full size, which, yes, for £17. So it's £17 and this is a full size. Amazing. So it's lunabyluna.com. You can get this translucent powder. I'm happy with the first product. Amazing. Can't wait to use that. And how much do you get in here? So you get, does it say? Let's have a little look. Does it say? So you get 5 grams or 0.17 ounces, which is quite a good size, I think. Depends how much you need to use. But amazing first product. Let's have a look at the second product. I think we've had this brand before. So it's the In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturiser and Primer in one, and this is from This Works. And I'm pretty sure we've had sort of like this before. So, what is it? 24-hour skin solution. Directions: apply to clean skin and massage until absorbed. It doesn't say much about it, but it says mask, moisturiser and primer in one. So I'm guessing obviously you can use it for a mask, moisturiser or primer. This is a 20ml bottle. Let's have a little read and see what it says. So, okay. So yeah, the brand is This Works. So you'll be ready for your close-up with this cruelty-free mask, moisturiser and primer in one. The powerful blend of repairing plant oils, hyaluronic acid, argan and starflower oils plus a hint of caffeine results in a revitalizing formula. This is the perfect way to rapidly erase the signs of fatigue, boost hydration and to prep your skin for photo perfect makeup. So this is a deluxe size of 20ml, which would normally be £17 just for this. A full size is double that amount, so 40ml, and it's normally £35. So I'll give that a little try, I think, and see if it's worth it. For £17 just for this bottle, or £35 for double the amount. It's got to be gold. Okay, on to the next product. So we have a Sleek Makeup I Define Mineral Based Eyeshadow Palette. I did do Sleek Makeup Advent Calendar this year. This is definitely a bigger palette than they have in the Advent Calendars. I was saying that the pans are so small for the eyeshadows. So this eyeshadow is oh so special. Let's open it up and see what the colours are. So here are the colours for the oh so special Sleek eyeshadow palette. You've obviously got nice light colours here and then darker at the other side. You've got a couple of shimmers, I think about 5 shimmers and 7 mattes. I think you got 5 shimmers and 7 mattes there. I will swatch some. I'm going to call out the names of the eyeshadow. So we have a Bow, Organza, Ribbon, Gift Basket, Glitz, Celebrate, Pamper, Gatto, The Mail, Boxed, Wrapped Up and MUA. So I'm going to swatch some of the shimmer shades and then do some of the matte shades and see what they are like. So here are some of the swatches from the Sleek palette. Oh my god, absolutely amazing. They do really nice eyeshadows. It's just if they're in the bigger pan, you can actually get in there and actually use them. I find the smaller pans just harder to obviously get the product out. But those are the colours that I swatched. Let's read a little bit about this. Create stunning eye makeup with 12 shades of highly pigmented and long-lasting mineral-based eyeshadows. So you got Oh So Special includes matte browns and creamy pinks with shimmery greys and smoky plums. So have a little read on the description card. So we have swap your summer shades for moodier autumnal colours with this full-size cruelty-free palette. The 12 super pigmented, long-lasting, mineral-based shades cover all bases from smoky and sophisticated to daytime chic. We adore the combination of matte and pearlescent shades that keep you bang on trend and provide a whole host of possibilities for a sultry Halloween eye look. Okay, so this is a full size and it's normally £8.99. Not bad. So let's get another product out. So this is Set and Reflect Finishing Kit. Finishing kit from MUA Luxe. And does it say anything about it? It says white gold. Is that the colour? I'm not sure. This is a duo compact containing a lightweight invisible cover, finishing powder and a white gold highlighting powder. Ooh. Ideal for setting makeup and adding a soft luminescent glow for a delicate and luxurious finish. So when you open it, you have like this white, but it's got gold reflex in, and then you lift it up and there's just a plain white. I think this is a mattifying powder. Yeah, so my god, that's pretty. So that's the highlighter. Oh my god, that is amazing. Love that. And then you have the white. The white's there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it if I put it on, because it's just like gone there. But I think I'm going to apply some of the highlighter to this already highlighted face. A clean brush. Do you like my eye look today? I kind of tried something new. Don't know why, I just did. Let's see what it looks like over this highlighter already. You can never have too much, I don't think. Wow. I really, really like that. What I might do is put some in the corner of my eyes. Just going to take some on a brush and that is so pretty. I'm loving it. Put some on my brow bone. I think that's absolutely beautiful. Just going to use some of this mattifying powder, I think it was in the end, and apply some just to kind of, because I get oily on my T-zone. I'm just gonna try that out. That's pretty good. I really, really like that. Really, really nice. Let's have a little read and see what they say about this product. So the Luxe Set and Reflect Finishing Kit. This vegan friendly and cruelty free 2-in-1 compact it's a perfect way to mattify your T-zone and top up your glow on the go. The Luminous highlighter helps you to achieve an intense iridescent look in a single sweep and is featured in videos by famous YouTuber Nikki Tutorials. Apply the highlighter to areas that catch the light. Think cheekbones, bridge of nose and your Cupid's bow. This is a full size for £5. Amazing, for £5. I love it. Okay, so now we're on to the last product, and this was in the sneak peek from last month's box. This is the Illamasqua Antimatter Lipstick, and I have it in Energy. I thought we were having the pink one if we got the treat box. No, we've got the purple. Yes. So this is the Illamasqua lipstick. Amazing, pretty. It says I'm supposed to get the colour Nebula in the treat box, but I have got the colour Energy. Yeah, Energy, the purple, which was supposed to be in the trick box, but I'm happy I got the purple over the pink, as I love purple shades, and this will just look absolutely amazing at Halloween time. Wow, that colour is just perfect. Love that colour. So let's read a little about it and find out more. So yeah, I did get it in Energy instead of Nebula, but I'm happy about getting the purple over pink. The perfect clutch bag accomplice for your Halloween party, this cruelty-free lipstick from the British beauty brand with an edge will suit every outfit. The cushion finish glides effortlessly onto your lips for an on-trend semi-matte finish. We're smitten with this girly, bright and beautiful shade of pink, purple, that suits all skin tones. It's an incredibly flattering colour, so your pearly whites shine brighter and whiter too. So this is a full size for £20. So again, I'm happy I got the purple instead of the pink. So very happy with that one. So that's it for October's Glossybox. I am so happy with all the products in this box. I know I'm going to use every single one. I'm so happy that Glossybox did like a Halloween themed box. They always come out with the themed boxes anyway, so I knew they would do it. I was just disappointed with Birchboxes this month, and that's all. But yeah, really happy. Can't wait for next month's, as we got the Huda Beauty lipstick. And then we have Christmas, which I can't wait to see what they bring out for Christmas. So really excited. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Come and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram will be somewhere down here. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.